welcome back to my channel. So welcome to another episode of Hashtag Haul October. Actually, it's a bonus video from my side because it's the 10th anniversary of Shein. Now, I have been collaborating with Shein a lot and I really, from the core of my heart, like this website. I found it really affordable. So if you guys are new to my channel, Shein is a global fast women fashion brand and they are having a 10th anniversary sale, and that is where I shop from. Almost 10,000 items are on up to 80% discount, which is a great deal. Like 10th anniversary is a big deal for them and it's a pretty good time during the festive season for us to shop. Now, if you guys are new, I would just like to take a few minutes to explain where and when to shop for this sale. So if you want to skip this part, I will mention a timestamp here to just skip to the try on haul. But if you are interested, then keep on watching. Now for this, you have to install the Shein app on your mobile. Type Shein on Google Play or your Apple Store to download it. Now Shein products are already on a lot of discounts, but to get an extra 15% off, I have a special coupon code, which is this mentioned on your screen. Now, on regular days, Shein always has a limitation like shop up to 2,100 or 2,300 and then you will get 300 or 400 off. This time there is no limitations. You can shop for anything and everything, use my code and get an assured 15% off. Then what you have to do is just add to cart everything and anything that you want to shop. Choose your shipping address, choose the payment method, use my coupon code and just purchase. It's that easy. And for those of you who skipped my talking, let's get started with the try on haul. Alright, so you see this is the kind of shopping that I like to do. Now for this sale, I wanted to splurge on summer items as well as winter items. As you guys know, I am planning a trip to either some tropical region or to the Himalayas, and I really wanted to shop new things. As you know, winter is also coming, so I wanted to keep a mix. Some of these items are fully for summer season and some of them are winter season. This jumpsuit that you guys loved when I gave my first masterclass with Dabur New You. It was a masterclass on lipsticks and I wore this. This was my OOTD. So this kind of print, I have worn it in my Kardashian video. I wore a crop top with a skirt and I like this print a lot on me. I felt like this made me look slimmer. So the length of this is totally perfect, totally fine. This is a palazzo kind of wide leg pant at the bottom and it has a little collar here and then you have a zip. The zip quality is also very nice. Like it's smooth as butter. You guys straight away ask me on my Instagram, where is it from? And it's from Shein. Shein's 10th anniversary sale and I'm super excited about this one. I got it in the size large. Also with this outfit, if you guys notice my OOTD closely, I wore this belt from Shein. Yes, I tried accessories from Shein this time. I really wanted to give this a try and it doesn't come in a lot of sizes. It's a one size thing, but the waist size was perfect for me. It looks something like this. It has a very Gucci kind of a feel to it, which I really like. It looks amazing and it looks really nice on me. Alright, so the next thing is also a jumpsuit and it's like a different vibe altogether. This is like Hola Pepsi Cola meets Ranveer Singh style kind of a vibe. But I don't know why I really like this one. This is a red, black, white, printed kind of a very zigzag, aankhon ko dard dene wala pattern, but I really liked it. It just matched to my craziness level and it also has a collar. Of lately, I've been liking jumpsuits with a collar like this and I really love it. It is full sleeves and it is also a wide leg, more wide leg than that black one. It is a proper like the length of my shoulders wide leg pant. I will have to get this one shortened because it's a little long for me because I am 5'2", but it also comes with a belt, which is great because patterns like these can easily be passed as, you know, it's a night suit, but it's not. So this one really helps it to look like a structured jumpsuit, which I find is amazing. And this one is in the size large. So the next summer product I got is also the one that you've seen in my Instagram stories. This is a long cape kind of, I don't know why, it's a long short dress. This one has stripes to it, it has floral prints, it is multicolored and the color scheme is amazing. It's pretty amazing. It has hints of yellow, peach, mustard, sky blue and green stripes. So this one looks really unique, and it just fits me like a glove. Like my waist feels like as curvy as a Kardashian, and I really like it. Some of you people would like to wear it like a long kurti, but I really like to close in the top buttons and then leave the rest like a floating superwoman kind of a cape, and I really like that. Why I got it in the size large. I really like when you guys compliment me on my outfits because it just validates my style sense, and I really like it. So thank you for that, and thank you for just being connected with me on my Instagram. I just really love my Instagram. Yeah. Okay, so the next product is a treat to all of you watching Bigg Boss at home, because I am obsessed with the kind of night suits these girls are wearing. Their pajamas are on point, and I got a satin, silver, metallic pajama set, night suit, whatever you want to call it. I wanted this one. I felt like maybe I can trust their satin quality, and I wasn't wrong. This is amazing. This fits me so beautifully. I wish I could wear it outside because it feels good, and I think like these are the kind of night suits that are made for TV appearances or Bigg Boss kind of stuff, because the pant is also very nice. It has an extremely flexible elastic which fits my waist, and then at the bottom it has this kind of a black piping which looks really classy. It doesn't look unfinished at all, which is totally value for money. And yeah, this shirt has two tiny little pockets right here, and you can put your stuff in here if you want to. But the feel of it, like you have to be here with me to feel it. The feel of this material is so damn nice, and that is why I love this one a lot. Up next is a product that you guys will be like, obviously Aditi, you had to buy it, because you guys know I love mesh details. So this one is a top from Shein. It is a mesh top, but it has polka dots all over. If you guys can see, it has small little polka dot detailing all over, and it's a high neck kind of a top like this. It comes like this. The only problem I have is this, that I ordered it in the size large. It fits me perfectly, but it's tight on the armhole area. That's no biggie because I am heavier on the upper arm side, and I really need to do something about them. I need to hit the gym ASAP about my arms. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It is very easy to wear for anyone and everyone who has like broader arms. And if you want to wear cut sleeve items, you can always go for this one and then wear the cut sleeve dress or jumpsuit or anything cut sleeve. And if you are not that comfortable in flaunting your bare Punjabi arms, you can always wear this inside and it will look top notch. The next two things are kind of like lounge wear items for summer and winter transition period like October, November. Firstly, I got this huge like triple XL oversized pullover, if you may like to call it. And the sole reason I liked it is because it says 90s baby like here on the heart region, 90s baby at heart, and it is an off-white. It's not that white, it's an off-white, very huge, and it is in the size medium, you guys, but it's super huge. So just keep in mind, if you want to buy something like this, you need to keep in mind that the size of this one is totally oversized. But I'm happy to wear it. These kind of outfits are really good for traveling purposes, whether you're traveling by bus, whether you're traveling in an airport, you really need something comfy. So this just justifies that, and this looks like this. Like it could fit 3 of me in this one, but I really like this one. The sleeves are always very unique when it comes to Shein, and that is why I like them a lot. These are velvet sleeves, velvet blue and velvet red, and this is a kind of cinching material like this here, and it's totally for loungewear. So I like this one. I would like to try this one, but if you don't like oversized items, that probably it will not be for you, but for me it's amazing. And then the last item that I got in the summer winter department are these joggers, and oh my god, these are so loved. I've worn it multiple times and I can go on and on about these ones. If you guys can take one thing from this haul, buy this one. This is a jogger and it has this rainbow piping all along, and it cinches at the bottom. It is so comfortable, you guys. The fabric is so plain. It has pockets, you guys. What else can you expect? If you guys see me at home, I'm always wearing PJs, pajamas, joggers and everything that is comfy, and I look like a homeless person. But this makes me look less homeless and more stylish, and that is why I like it. I've worn it to markets also because this is so comfortable, and ये बाहर के markets में and travel places में भी चलता है. It looks cool, so I really like this one. I got it in the size large, and yeah, you guys know I love it. Moving on to the winter items. You guys know my favorite color for winters. You guessed it right. It's wine color. I really like wine for winter. And when I saw this sweater, I felt like this is made for me. And when I wore this sweater, I felt like nobody can rock it as good as me because first of all, the fit of it is just the way I like my sweaters to be. It has this frayed lace embroidered all over the neck, which makes it all the more glamorous. And the one thing that I would like to point out specifically is the feel and texture of the product, because the winter wear stuff from Shein, last year also I tried a lot of jackets. They were super duper soft, like a skin of a panda or a Pomeranian doggy. Like, that's so cute, and this one almost feels like that. This is super soft, and just cozy items for winters make me really excited. And I think I'll be taking this top for my trip to the Himalayas. Maybe I'm back when you're watching this video and I've already seen it on my Instagram, but yeah, this for sure is going with me to McLeodganj or anywhere I would like to go. So you guys know I'm very close to my mother, and whenever we shop from Shein, we shop together. So this one, the next item, is what I got for my mom. It is a coat. It's an oversized coat, like oversized for me. It's in the size XL, and I got it for my mom specifically because she loves this camel kind of a color. She loves grey. This looks something like this. This is a normal coat and it's oversized. It also has a hoodie, which is really nice to protect the head in the Delhi winters. But yeah, this one is really nice. It looks very good on her, and I mean, I can also rock it because I love wearing oversized items, so I can wear it too. And yeah, stay tuned to know who wears it first. Also, I loved this color so much for my mom. I was a jealous biatch, so I got this one for myself. Now this one is better than my mom's because look how squishy it is. Like, doesn't it look like a doggy, like a very cute pet that I have and I'm petting him? Yeah. So I really like this one. This doesn't have a hoodie, but it has a very cute collar. This looks something like this. This is a very like full blown bomber jacket, but in this foamy kind of a very cloud like form, and I just want to switch it, be in it and feel cozy. And I am always up for taking these kind of outfits to my travel trip. Okay, so the last thing from the winter collection is kind of a roll on round kind of a shrug. You guys won't get it if I show you like this. You guys would probably think that this is like a scarf that you wear and it is like a stole or a muffler or an infinity scarf, but it's not. It is a roll-on kind of a cardigan. I will try to show it to you guys when I wear it right here, and it looks really amazing. Like, this kind of concept is what I like about Shein because I won't get it here in India, and this is so nice, so beautiful. The knitwear, the knit quality of this one is so nice. I always love grays, but it is really nice. It has this short sleeve like this which comes right here, and it feels amazing to wear it. Everything fit me, everything had good quality, and everything, like the summer items, the winter items, they all were amazing. And now we're left with two accessories. One of them is this black kind of a bag, and this is a backpack. You guys know when I do travel and explore videos, explore with quirky videos, when I do market videos, I really like to hang a backpack, and I really like black in particular because that's just my choice. I was really fascinated with the matte and glossy vibe that this one had going on in it. I wasn't sure of the quality, but this is pretty above average for me. It also has these two zips, which is awesome. The more the better. I really like spacious bags, and besides this being small, it has a little bit of space so that I can put my DSLR and my battery and chargers in it, so this is perfect for it. Then next up I got this one. This is a white marble kind of case for my iPhone. I have an iPhone 7 Plus, so I've also shopped from Shein this kind of a this rose gold marble design, and it is reflective. I love it so much, so I wanted another one. This is a white one. So the difference between these two is that this one is a marble design, but it feels pretty synthetic and feels pretty glossy and all of that. But this one though, if you just touch it like this, it feels like you're touching a marble floor, and that is what I really like about it. So I think they only have phone covers for iPhone users. If you are an iPhone user, just try your luck at them, because I think from my two purchases from Shein about iPhone phone covers and cases, like affordable, under 200-300 rupees, this is really nice, because India mein iPhone ke cases agar aap ek achhi shop se lene jao quality wise, they are like so freaking overpriced, about 400 or 500, 700, 2000 rupees. And yeah, these ones are so classy, perfect for us girls and for marble lovers, for interior lovers. I really like this one, and it was just for, I think it was less than 300 rupees for me, and I really loved it. With that, I finished my whole Shein haul. My dabba is totally khali now. I am sad, but I am supremely happy about getting these items for summers as well as winters, and trying out some different accessories also, and finding out that their quality is also as nice as I expected. I just want to say that if you are eyeing some products from Shein for a very long time, and if you've been searching for a time to buy, this is the right time, because there is a big sale going on. Plus, you can have a 15% discount using this code. And what can be better than that? Just go shop. I will mention the sizes and the links to all of these items in the description box below, along with the code. So use it and happy shopping. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you like this little bonus video surprise from my side, please comment down below which was the item that excited you the most, that you want to buy. Just grab it from me. And yeah, if you're new, what's up? I'm Aditi. I make YouTube videos on fashion, beauty, food, lifestyle, and a lot of crazy stuff. We're also in between this series called #Haul October, where I'll be uploading a new haul every Tuesday. So if you're new, please check out my videos linked below. I know you're gonna love them. And if you do, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification to get updates on every time I upload a new video and bonus videos. And follow me on all my socials, especially Instagram, because I'm super active there. I post a lot of pictures, and I'll keep you entertained with my Insta stories too. And I'll see you next time. Bye!